So it is now official. Jamaican sprint star Veronica Campbell-Brown is with baby on board. And she's looking forward to being a parent. So she's not quite sure if she will return to the sport of track and field. And realistically, a sprinter at 36 going on 37, as great as VCB is, it will be difficult, if not impossible, to become a mother, take off probably a year to recover, and then return to elite level competition. So in essence, VCB's announcement of her pregnancy is a kind of soft departure from the sport by one of, if not Jamaica's greatest ever female sprinter. With all due respect to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Elaine Thompson, when we talk about body of work, you name it, world youth champion, world junior champion, world senior champion, back-to-back Olympic champion, 8-time Olympic medalist, Veronica Campbell-Brown was a Jamaican champion before Jamaican champion get common. There was a period in our track and field when his VCB used to take shame out of reality. At the 2004 Olympics in Athens, the Jamaica won one individual gold medal. That was VCB in the 200 meters. When the anthem played that day, water full up the Maverick Eye. So Jamaica and the world, let us hear it for the greatest of all Jamaican female greats, the great Veronica Campbell-Brown. Yes, 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 yes. Real champion, VCB, 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 VCB.